Welcome to Hindi English 91. This is the IELTS speaking practice test number 7. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is describe a time when you needed to use your imagination. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. When it was. When you needed to use imagination. How difficult or easy it was. And explain how you felt about it. In some situations, we need to use our imagination to perform well or get out of difficult situations. Imagination is an amazing thing. We imagine almost everything, like what we want to become or what we want to achieve. We imagine how our future is going to be. Sometimes we imagine bad things when we are depressed, but when we are genuinely happy, good thoughts automatically come to mind. Here I would like to talk about a time when I had to use my imagination. It was during my 12th class. An art competition was held in our school, and I took part in it. Our teachers told us that we will have to draw on whatever topic is given on the competition day. So, I prepared myself for it. On the competition day, my topic was mental health and ways to improve it. It was a little difficult for me, but I had to complete it, so I used my imagination and thought about a mentally disturbed person and drawed according to the topic. I draw some pictures representing ways to enhance mental health. After an hour, the result of the competition was declared, and I got second position. I felt very happy because of the result, and I was really satisfied with what I drawed. My teachers and my parents also congratulated me. So, this was the time when I used my imagination. This is an example. You can use your situation. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned. Hindi English 91.